Ali, and I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be wrapping my body. Okay, before I show you what it looks like, I'm a little disappointed because it's not the one. I was sent something different from what I ordered, but it's fine because I'm okay with it. And it just gave me another idea. So the last wrap that I was supposed to get was gonna be a Red Bull theme. This one is just a CRF. You'll see it. Anyways, but I decided, since it's the same colors, the red, white, blue, and the gold, I'm gonna make it Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman. What do you think? And when you see the wrap, you will see that the colors match perfectly with the bike. All I have to do is add a couple gold Wonder Woman, the W stickers that kind of stick out like this, and add them to the bike. So if you want to see how I transform this baby with the wrap, keep on watching. To see the wrap? Because I'm super excited. Like, I already opened it. I was gonna do a whole like reveal. I'm glad I actually opened it because, like I said, they sent the wrong one. But I already seen it, so no surprise. Well, I don't know how to even show you this because it looks like weird. It looks weird this way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay everything out on the floor, get all the materials that I need, and we're gonna start wrapping this bad boy. I'm nervous, but I got this. I know I got this. Do I got this? Yes, I got this. I know I got this. I got this. I know I do.
You can't do it!
Alright guys, so I'm going to start by prepping the area. I'm going to wipe it down with some alcohol just to make sure that there's no debris or dust in the way of the adhesive behind the sticker. So you don't have to OD, just a little bit will do. The good thing about using alcohol over any multi-purpose cleaner is the alcohol evaporates super fast, so you have yourself a nice dry surface to start with, as opposed to the multi-surface cleaner where it might leave actually some residue. What I did to make this project a little bit much more easier for myself, I scored the sticker in half so that now all I have to do is remove the center as so. And then I'll be able to position it where I want. I'm going to press it firmly in the center when I'm ready or when I'm satisfied. And then I'll pull each side one at a time and then press on to stick it onto the plastic before putting the heat gun towards it. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to eyeball it. Make sure that I'm satisfied where it is. That looks good to me. Once I'm satisfied with the position, I'm going to stick it on here first. There's not much forgiveness with this sticker, so you want to make sure that you put it on appropriately the first time, so you're not stuck with a uneven sticker. Alright, so I'm satisfied with this portion, and I'm gonna move on to removing the bottom and adhering it onto the plastic like this. And just press on it, make sure it's nice and smooth, there's no wrinkles, anything like that. What do you guys think about my Wonder Woman theme? Bam! 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 properly and nicely, I'm gonna have to take this bolt out. I'm just gonna loosen it so that I could be able to fit the sticker in underneath the panel. I'm gonna use this little spatula slash squeegee thingy to get in the little crevices and make sure that it's in there. And whatever doesn't fit in there, I'm just gonna trim it. Sure people problems. All right, let's get the booty.
Let's take the Genesis.
Elijah's sleeping hard. Sorry. Twin. She's always video bombing me. The thotty by nature. That's words in my opinion. So I'm gonna look for where there's a pressure point that I'm gonna apply, which is right here. And that's where I'm gonna carve it and make this little slit here like this. Not too hard. The box cutter will do all the work. You just have to slide it down. Don't force it in there because you'll cut through and then you'll be passed out. Just like that. Bam. That's it. Bring it down. Alright. I got the center portion down. Now I'm going to go ahead and work my way to the sides. I'll leave a link in the description box on where you can find this wrap if you're interested. But obviously they sent me the wrong one, so I don't know if that's what you want to do. The moment I've been waiting for to take off the first layer of the adhesive, or this kind of like cover or protector, whatever you want to call it, and expose what it really looks like, and then apply the heat gun to it.